Cyprus Citizenship-By-Investment. Procedure. First, we will discuss the inspection visit, followed by the granting of the immigration permit, the granting of the Cypriot citizenship, followed by the procedure for family members. We offer inspection visits to assist our clients in this exciting journey. The investors will meet our local experts, visit and compare different areas and sites, and see all the properties they are interested in. Before the trip, investors need to consider the following. If a visa is required, the applicant may opt to apply for the following types: a short-stay travel visa or a transit visa. For more details, please see the Application Documents Training PPT. They should also take a look at our preparation package, which includes an introduction to Cyprus, its weather, the trip schedule, and investment options, etc. A typical trip schedule can be found in the following slide. Each trip is different depending on arrival and departure times and what the investors want to see, but a typical schedule might look like this. A. Inspection for the investment options. Meet the property developers, contractors, government officials, etc. B. Inspection for the properties. View properties or apartments and surroundings. C. Investment plans and payment. Once the investment option is chosen, the investors will go to the law firm where the legal experts will help with the investment plan and prepare application documents. The investors will need to sign any necessary documents and pay the attorney fee and deposit for the properties for the full investment. Granting of the immigration permit. The investor can choose to pay the full amount, including the investment amount and all the fees related regarding immigration, either in Cyprus as a one-time payment, or pay the deposit in Cyprus and wire transfer the remaining balance from his or her home country within the agreed-upon time frame. Please note, the investor needs to submit evidence of payment on the agreed purchase price as financial documentation for their application. After the inspection visit, the investor can start preparing the application documents. The completed application documents, including the full payment of the fees, will be posted to the law firm in Cyprus, where the legal experts will submit the application to the Ministry of Interior. Please note, only the spouse of the investor can hand in the application for immigration at the same time as the main applicant. All the other family members can start their application after the applicant has acquired his or her citizenship. For the issuance of the immigration permit, the collection of the applicant's biometric data, including fingerprints, photograph, and signature, is mandatory. In order for the biometric data to be collected, the applicant is required to appear in person at the Civil Registry and Migration Department. Thereafter, the applicant needs to present an original travel document, e.g., a passport. After the collection of the biometric data, the immigration permit card is issued within 5 working days. The granting of Cypriot citizenship. The procedure for the acquisition of Cypriot citizenship will be completed, provided that the applicant holds a residence permit for a period of no less than 6 months. The applicant will need to be present in Cyprus again to record his or her biometric data. Thereafter, the Civil Registry and Migration Department will issue the Certificate of Naturalization. Subsequently, the applicant will need to give the oath of faith before a registrar of a Cypriot court or a consular office of the Republic of Cyprus. Once this procedure is completed, the applicant will be able to require a Cypriot passport and identity card. The process for family members. The application of the spouse of the applicant can be submitted along with the application of the main applicant, allowing the couple to acquire the Cypriot citizenship simultaneously. If the spouse does not submit the application along with the main applicant, then they will have to wait to submit this application until the main applicant receives Cypriot citizenship. For adult children and parents of the main applicant, the application for the naturalization by exception needs to be submitted at the Ministry of Interior after the acquisition of the Cypriot citizenship by the main applicant. The procedure for acquisition of Cypriot citizenship will be completed provided that the applicant holds a residence permit for a period of no less than 6 months. For minor children of the main applicant, the application for granting of Cypriot citizenship to minor children of the main applicant will take approximately 30 working days and needs to be submitted at the Civil Registry and Migration Department after the applicant acquires Cypriot citizenship. Thank you for listening.